How to export LastPass passwords to CSV. So first, just basically go to your LastPass vault. So go to lastpass.com, and once you're here, go to advanced options here on the left navigation menu. Then you will see the option of export right there. So just simply click on that. And once it's done, as you can see, look for an email from LastPass. So just basically use the email that you're currently using for LastPass. So this is what the email will look like. So hello, someone recently tried to export your vault contents. Was it you? And if it's you simply need to click on continue export, just like that. So I'm just going to click on it. So as you can see, the export has been verified. So you just simply need to go back to your vault to continue the export process. So go back to your vault, go to advanced options again, then click on export. And now as you can see, you will just simply need to enter your username and master password. Once you've input it, just simply click on submit. And the CSV file will be automatically downloaded. So you simply need to click on whatever directory you want, then click on save to download it. So I'm going to save it here on the downloads options, then click on save. And as you can see, I now have my CSV file for my LastPass passwords. And that is how I basically export LastPass passwords to CSV.